Vanessa, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I package and ship my orders. I don't know if I'm going to show, what time is it? I don't know if I'm going to show you guys y'all. Okay, I'm gonna respond to that later, but so I'm gonna show you guys how I package and ship my orders. So here we have a bundle. I don't know how many I'm gonna show. It just depends on how much my space can take and how long this takes me, but I'll show as much as I can. So here we have our mink straight bundles. We have 3 bundles, 20, 22, 24, and she got a 20 or 18-inch frontal, whichever one. But this is it. So what I start off is I leave this pink thing on here, and I use this. These are like diamonds. I don't know if you can tell, but where are my scissors? I have a lot of stuff going on here right now because I'm trying to pack orders for my Mother's Day sale. Okay, so I got my scissors. I'm not gonna respond to that. Let me just not, how many, okay. So I use my scissors, and I have a hot glue gun already heated right here. I use my scissors and take this. Don't talk about my nails or you will get blocked, because a situation had happened and I've started popping the nails out. But so I wrap it around and I make sure it's tight enough, and then I cut a piece off. I cut a piece off. I use my hot glue gun and I just apply it around the bundle. See? Easy peasy. And it looks cute like this. Because I didn't want regular tags, like that's boring. Who cares? And then I just got my tag gun. So I don't know if I want to use this. Yeah, I am. I was gonna say, do I want to tag it on this or the actual bundle? I'm gonna tag it on the actual bundle. So here's my tag gun, and then here are my cards that I made. Let me get, I need to write on them. I'm like trying to film, so my Sharpie, and I'm just gonna take that and write the texture, length, and color doesn't really matter. So the texture is straight. The length is 24 inches. Poke a hole through it, and then I poke a tiny hole through the bundle. Nothing major. Make sure you don't hurt yourself. And then just, that didn't work. Funny. Let's try again. Oh, the same hole. Well, I'm trying to get the same hole, but okay. Okay, that worked. And then it's like this. And that looks really cute. And that's like, that's something that you did yourself. And it's cute. And it looks like that. I'm probably going to get closer on the next one so you guys see. Or maybe you should just order from me and see. ordered for me to see what it looks like. So for my Mother's Day sale, hopefully I don't look stupid, but for my Mother's Day sale, I did, with every purchase of 3 bundles, you got a pair of free eyelashes. So I do have lashes on the site now, so go get you some. So you got a pair of free eyelashes. I got a couple of styles. I only added a couple to the site, but I have so many more styles. It's ridiculous. So I'm just gonna randomly choose a style to give. I'll probably give one that's on the site. If you guys can even tell. And I'm going to put them in one of these bags. I wanted black bags, but these ones, that'll look super cute. Like that, in there. Those together, but I wasn't thinking about the gold ones. I might just do. I just like to, yeah, so I'm gonna do that. Good pair. Lash tweezers, and went to add a lash brush. And put that all together. So this is her whole order. She got a pencil too. Look at that sticker. Stickers I also made myself. I didn't make them, but you know. And so she got 3 bundles. She had 3 bundles. This all coming her way. So I'm gonna take my poly mailer. You can also make these yourself. Not make, y'all know what I mean. Poly mailer, I think. And then I'm gonna take, these are all the orders I gotta ship out. Oops. I got some hot glue on this thing, tracking stuff. So I'm looking for her, I had it on top. It was backwards. So I'm going to take, I need to hurry up. I'm going to take her invoice. It just says everything she bought and stuff. Hopefully you guys can't see her. So basically it says everything she bought with my logo in the corner. I'm going to fold that in half. Put that in there first. Then I'm going to cut this. You know, I don't care about straight lines. I do care about straight lines and stuff lying, but I don't have like the stickers with all the with the like tracking numbers and stuff on the back. So I just take that, put it there. I got this from the post office. Yeah, I be hating this thing. I'm gonna cut out the shoot, I'm tripping. So you can't even see, but this is, you know, can't see, and then me. And then her invoice is inside this. So we're gonna put her lashes, her 3 bundles, and her frontal all in here. So she's got a package. I'm trying to make sure I didn't forget anything. Y'all saw me put everything in there now. So yeah. Then I just take this strip off. I should move my camera, but it's really not that serious. And then I put this strip down. Put this strip down, and there it is. And then I do one more piece of tape on the corners of the package. And I hate when stuff gets stuck in the damn tape. Put tape on the corners of the package. And boom! This is your package from She Collections. That took 7 minutes. Okay, so basically, I'm going to repeat the same thing with the rest of my orders. I have orders that happen after the Mother's Day sale, so they don't get eyelashes. They just get, you know, the regular stuff. But anyway, this is my deep wave hair. Yeah. Pretty. I'm going to insert a picture or video of me wearing it here. But this is my deep wave hair. It's really pretty, y'all. Really pretty. But honestly, I think that concludes the video. I might show you guys me going to the post office, but that's like, I need one more piece of tape on here. That's like unimportant. But you guys see, your packages are packed with love, loving, tender, and care. So make sure you guys order from She Collections. The only reason you won't receive a package like this is if you do 2-day shipping. That's the only time your package won't be with love, and tender care. Is if you do like 2 to 3 day shipping. But otherwise, this is how your package comes. We'll just add this. So they have 3 bundles of deep wave and deep wave closure, the sticker. Yes, check it. So take this. I'm just adding this in here. This person ordered after the Mother's Day sale, so they don't get no lashes. No, I'm tripping. I gotta take this up first. People putting the stuff in first and then putting on the thing. I don't really like to do that. But yeah, I'm taking her invoice, folding it. Folding it in half. Putting it in there. Okay, and this is what I wanted to add. Wix has this thing where you can just scan this tracking number and it's in there. My camera's about to die. Hopefully it doesn't die before I show this. If not, I'm just screen record. I'm probably gonna screen record anyway. So I go to the person's order. Make sure that's right. Shit. Okay, it says add. Oh, this took so long. I wanted to do more orders, but this took a long time. So thank you guys for watching. I will put the links to my hair. The links to my hair, which I am currently wearing, in the description. I have eyelashes on there. I have markdowns. I have custom necklaces. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. I like doing this, honestly, because I love this. This is my favorite thing. So I like filming this video. Thank you guys for watching once again.